When it comes to technology accessories, cables often don't get the attention they deserve. However, a high-quality cable can be a game changer, especially when it enhances speed, durability, and versatility. The fiber optic USB-C cable we're reviewing today fits this description perfectly. With the ability to deliver data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second and a lightweight, compact design, this cable stands out as an excellent choice for users looking for reliable and fast connectivity, particularly for webcam setups and other high-performance uses. The first thing that stands out about this fiber optic USB-C cable is its slim, sleek design. The cable's outer diameter, OD, measures just 0.18 inches, making it thin and easy to manage compared to traditional USB-C cables. Its lightweight further contributes to the ease of use, making it a great option for those who need a cable that won't weigh them down or take up much space in a bag or workstation setup. The connector size is compact, with a length of 1.61 inches and a width of 0.59 inches, ensuring it fits snugly into USB-C ports without being overly bulky. Despite its lightweight build, the cable is made with fiber optic materials, which offer superior data transmission capabilities. Fiber optic cables are known for their ability to handle high-speed data transfer over longer distances without signal degradation, and this one delivers just that. One of the standout features of this fiber optic USB-C cable is its impressive 10 gigabits per second data transfer speed. This makes it a solid choice for users who need quick, reliable data transmission, especially in environments that require real-time data sharing or streaming. Whether you're using it for a Logitech webcam setup or connecting high-speed storage devices, the cable performs exceptionally well, ensuring minimal lag and fast synchronization between devices. For those who engage in live streaming, video conferences, or remote work with high-quality webcams, the 10 gigabits per second speed offers smooth, uninterrupted performance. It's ideal for connecting devices where data speed is crucial, and its optical fiber construction ensures that you won't experience the typical interference or signal loss seen with copper-based cables. For Logitech webcam users, this fiber optic USB-C cable makes for a perfect connection option. Logitech webcams are known for their high-definition video quality, and this cable ensures that you can connect them to your computer without worrying about bandwidth limitations or data transfer bottlenecks. The 10 gigabits per second speed provides more than enough headroom for transmitting high-quality video, enabling smooth and clear streaming or video calls. Moreover, the thin and lightweight design of the cable makes it easy to manage during streaming or on-camera work. Whether you're setting up a studio, managing a video call, or conducting a live stream, this cable allows for flexibility and reliability,